Hello, let's talk about how we can create forms for data entry into the databases in MS Access. When we talk about software development, so each software has two ends, front end and back end. Front end is the part of the software which is used for entering data and getting reports. That is the external view of the data entry and reports viewing or reading, and the backend contains the storage where some data is stored. So we have talked about how we can create tables. So tables is the part of backend, and front form is the part of front end. So now we will be learning that how we can create form in MS Access. So let's again go and open the MS Access. We already created sale information system, uh, which which has six tables that we have created. So this six table that we have created, that is the backend of our database. Now we are going to create the front end, and we have already covered that how we can create the relationship. So this is the relationship that we have already created. Now let's go and create form. For creating form, you have to go to the create menu, and here in the form group there are many option. With this one, which is the simplest one, is form wizard. When we click on the form wizard, this form wizard window will appear, and here we can see all the tables that we have created. So for which table we are going to create the form, let's take it customer, mm, customer table, and these are the attributes that are in that table. We will add all to see them on the form. We'll click on the next, and here it shows this layout shows you that how this form will look like. I like the first one, column style. Go, and here it will ask you for uh, mm, name of the title of the form. So it is just for adding customer data. So add customer detail. You can give any name which you like, and here it's asked that do you want to open it or go to the design view. So I want to have it finish, and now you can see this form is created, and as you can see, only one entry is here, customer ID 100 Ali Swat. And this is, if you remember from our past video, this is the one entry that we have added. Now how you can add data from here? So if this is one entry is here and we want to make this form empty, so you can see this navigation bar, and in the navigation bar next record, click on this, and it will be get empty. And now you can start 101, and the customer name is, for example, Khan, and address is Pakistan. Then date of birth for him is, this is the dummy value, and this is the address. klm@gmail.com is the dummy email address I am adding here. And here, this was the lookup wizard that we have added. So I will select from this option, and then next. So data is sent to the form, to the database backend. So the data entry operator only see this form, not the database. So the erroneous deletion or updation of the data is protected. And if you want to see whether this data has been added or not, so go and open this. Yes, you can see that this data has been added. There are different methods for creating the form, and different kind of form. This is the main form. Here we can add a sub form that customer has the order, and then order has the detail, that will be another sub form. So we can put many interrelated tables into one form to have one single dashboard for entering data into the backend of the database. So we will be talking in future in other tutorial on this.